So here we are, we're just off Lime Burners Bay, just a few minutes from work, and we're just water testing Ramsey's 6 metre offshore. We've got a full Furuno package today with a 295, TZ Touch 12, autopilot and radar, and a nice 250 Yammy on the back of this boat. Ramsey is from New South Wales, from Sydney, and we've been putting this boat together for him for the last few months, and he popped over actually this morning as well, just to check the boat, and everything's good. He's very happy, and just want to run through a couple of the other things that we've got installed on Ramsey's boat. So one of the features that a lot of guys on the East Coast love is our slimy tubes. Basically, slimy tubes are just mostly used for marlin fishermen, by marlin fishermen, just getting their slimies ready and pitching out to a marlin at the back of the boat. Obviously, your typical low bait tank. We've got 2 bilge pumps in this boat, doing a lot of offshore work. We've got our stereo, obviously, for a bit of music. Typical biminis, front and side clears and rocket launchers. A storm grey floor. The seats aren't in here at the moment, as you can probably see. They're going in this afternoon. We've got swingers outriggers on this, but Ramsey has chosen to do the poles and the rigging himself. We can do that here if you like, or you can do it yourself, it's up to you. Yeah, all you need is a bait board, and you're out there doing it all. Yeah, so congratulations, Ramsey. You've put together a beautiful boat, and I'm sure the East Coast is waiting for you to catch plenty of tuna this year and marlin next year.